Hey, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today we're going to be checking out a car phone mount. This one is from VANMASS. I'm going to give them a big shout out for sending this out for me to review. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching Let's Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So this is the car phone mount for your phone to mount in your car. This one is from VANMASS. I want to give them a big shout out for sending this out for me to review. This one retails for $20. I'll leave it in the description if you want to check it out as always. But yeah, let's check it out. So this is the box itself. So we've got the logo there, VANMASS. Easy clip car mount. We've got the nice packaging here. Little stylish. And at the top we've got make life simple. On the back just some standard instruction, and you can see the car phone holder, and we've got the color black, some weights and version, but we're not gonna worry about that. So I'm gonna get my knife here and slice this open. Oops, that's gonna go in there. Let's open this up. So these are the things we get inside. Let's start from this side here. So we've got a user manual here. Simple instruction how to set it up. We don't need to look at that. We've got a VIP card. So if you want to give some, if you want to activate your service, your money guarantee, your warranty, or if you need any support, you can always contact them, which is really nice. If you like this little card thing, so you can just keep it in your wallet or anything like that, which is really nice. Then we've got the mount itself. So this is the suction cup one. So these are the ones that goes onto the window, which is really nice. But we do have the magnets, so this can go onto your dashboard, anything like that. And we have the air vents. So this is for the air vents. So basically, it doesn't matter what type of air vent you have, or if you want to put on the window shield, or if you want to put it on the dashboard, well, this car mount got everything covered. So as you can see, this is for the dashboard. So if you don't want to stick it on the window, dashboard, if you want it in the car, in the air vent, car air vent, it's the option. So nothing really there to go wrong with. But let's have a look at the mount itself, with the car holder itself. So we do have this button here to quick release, and you just tighten it in, which is really nice. So the bottom does adjust a bit. It's a bit hard to pull, but it will adjust, and you just clip it like that. Very nice. So if I put my phone in like that, clip it in, it sits there really nice and firmly. You may be thinking, wait, it's just a bit oversized. Well, I can always adjust the bottom. So if I pull that down, I can make that bigger, so my phone won't be sitting like that. So it's much better, as you can see here. But some people actually like having the camera out when they're driving, or you can just record something. That's nice as well. So you can sit like that on the dashboard or on the windscreen, depending on where you choose. So that is really great. Let's put my phone to the side and just have a look at the design itself. It's simple, like the box said, make life simple, and that's what this does. You've got a nice little design here, like a carbon fiber, but it's actually plastic square. It looks really nice, the design. Like, it might be hard to see on the camera, but it's really nice. And inside we do have some cushions to protect your phone, so it's not going to scratch your phone, anything like that. Games for the bottom as well. Bottom is a bit hard to pull down, but it does. And of course, easy to lock, so depending on your phone size. And if you're wondering if it will fit in landscape, it will not. It's always portrait, but of course you can just turn it sideways like that and it will be landscape. So let's see how each of these mounts will get connected to the car. So if you want to use the air vent, you just want to prop this in like this. So loosen this up as always, push it in, and then you can just tighten it. And then you can always pick your angle and make it firm so it won't move around. And this will just stick into your air vent. So got an open button, that's your open, so you can just stick it in and just tighten it. Depending on your level of your air vent, if it's thin, of course you want to tighten all the way. But if it's just like medium, you don't want to break your airband, you can always just go medium weight, which is really nice. And this will just sit in the airband like this. Depending on how your airband is the car, of course this is gonna fit depending on your size, so that is really good. Of course, let's just take this out. So to do that, you just unscrew this, pull it out. Of course, you don't want this one to come out, and you just change it to this one. Do the same thing, and you just want to tighten this up. And that's in. With this, you have more adjustable. So you have one here for your length. So if you want it to be further out, you can do that. Just turn it in again, just like that. We have adjustable here. So for your axis, so if you want it further down, depending if you have it on the car like this, on the glass plane here, or if you have it on the dash like that, you get all the options. And of course, inside you do have your suction. So to lock it in, just tighten that up, and that's just going to sit really tight. And of course, if you want this to be on your dashboard, you just want to use this instead, and that's just going to tuck it in. Of course, I have to remove these films here, which I'm not going to do now, so it doesn't pick up dust. But of course, this just sits into the dash, and we just have the dashboards like that. And this one, it's got M3 at the back. If I peel off a bit, you can see it's got some M3 there, so that's just going to stick really well onto your dashboard. And of course, you have the glass top where this will just mount on. So for $20, you get a car mount that's going to fit any car. I mean, basically, it will fit any car because you have the glass mount, so the windscreen, you got for the dash, and you got for the vent as well. So you can't go wrong here. If you're worried some car mounts won't fit this one, you get all three options, which is like the best thing about this. And the design is nice. Of course, it doesn't have any mechanical functions. I've seen some car mounts where you can have a button and just open it by itself, close by itself. That uses battery, and of course that means you need to have it plugged in all the time. This one, of course, you don't have any wireless charging or anything, but of course you could always just put it in and then connect the cable and you can charge, so that's not a big issue. But overall, you get all of the options, which is the main point here. And for $20, that's a great deal. Like, that's a great deal. Bro, that's a great deal. Like, I'm not gonna complain here, because you know cars have different sizes from air vents to dash, so it's really difficult to find one that fits your need. But this one will do the job easily, no worries there. And the quality is nice. Yes, it is plastic, but it looks good. All the knobs works fine, like the adjustable length, everything. So nothing much to complain here, like I would say. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So if you want to check it out, of course, I'm going to have a link in the description as always. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.